What are you doing, dude?
I'm doing the Shin shit.
Who taught you to do that?
I don't know, everybody. It's not good.
They do that at the Muay gym?
On the internet.
Huh?
On the internet.
So,
No?
so no instructor taught you to do this?
No,
You
not
just-
the
you just- you
instructor.
just- you just saw it on the internet.
Yeah. I mean, everybody's doing it. It's not good, or?
Who's doing it?
On the internet, I see.
Who's everybody?
People, I don't know.
What people?
On the internet people. Why? It's not good, or?
This is for the idiots on the internet, yes.
Then how you do this?
What do you mean how you do this?
How you make it
What do you think
more
happens when you spar, when you fight people? Wearing gear, you automatically work your shins.
Yeah, that's true.
When you're drilling the low kicks here, when you're kicking each other in the legs here. I mean, how do you drill over there when you train? Like, what kind of drills do you guys do? Like, when you guys drill with each other, like, what do you do with your
Usually
shins?
we do techniques and
Yeah, but
with
how
the
do you-
shit,
how do you-
we don't do shit with the shit. Yeah.
What do you mean you don't do nothing with the
We
shin?
don't work it. Like we just kick each other.
So yeah, but where do you kick each other?
here, legs.
The
Why?
legs.
It's not good. You make me feel retarded. That's
This is retarded. This is very retarded.
but why? It's not working.
No, it's not. Yeah, well,
I mean, it's not making it stronger. If I keep kicking it and kicking it with
well,
the,
just think logically. If you're gonna fight somebody, are you gonna be hitting like a fucking tree or something hard the entire time with your shin, with every single part of your shin? No.
no.
You're just creating damage for no real reason, because you're only creating damage in your shin without creating speed and power in your muscles. So that you don't really. This is good for
So
nothing.
this is useless.
How old are you?
26.
26. And you only have 4 more years to be able to condition bones. After 30, you cannot condition bones anymore. After 30, you're only fucking up your bones, and they're gonna become less and less and less every time you damage them.
Oh shit. That's good.
Yeah, no shit. So you're still on time to condition, but this is not the right way
So
to do
this
it.
is not good.
No, this is not the right way to do it. No, no, because you're catching very small parts, and you're not creating real. When you get real damage on your shin from fighting, it's brutal. Even with shin guards, sometimes your skin comes off. Have I even showed you my shin yet?
No.
Here, look. Look, take a look. And I've never done the shit you're doing. My shins are hard as fuck. This is from fighting, man, not from fucking hitting myself with a stick in the fucking gym, dude. Like, look, dude. Look how many scars I have. You can see it now perfectly good because my girlfriend just trimmed my legs. She trims my legs with a machine in the summer. I trim my whole body in the summer. Otherwise, you would not be able to see them as well. But look, these are all scars from fighting that you're not going to get by hitting yourself with a stick in the shins.
So this is totally, just forget about it, right?
Yes, because if you're drilling, let go of your leg for a second, man. If you're drilling, if I'm like hitting you here, right, like block, and you're blocking, and then you know how to take the low kick?
Like this.
Take the low kick. No, that's a check. So you don't even know how to take a low kick. What are you gonna do if you get into a fight and you get low kicked? You will get low kicked in a fight, just like you will get punched. So if you're always drilling, checking, you're just assuming you're gonna check every fucking time. And then a lot of times it's not a good idea to check. What do you think people break their legs? Haven't you seen the leg breaks on the internet? You saw Conor McGregor break his leg?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think that is? Because he's a fucking idiot, because he didn't train here and he doesn't do the things we do here. In Holland, we understand very well that sometimes if the person is going for a real hard power shot, sometimes it's not the best idea to check. Think about it, you're going bone against bone, that shit fucking hurts, dude. You could break your leg. It's much more effective to take the kick. In Holland, we never do this checking bullshit, ever. That's how you know your gym is kind of sucks, because it's Muay Thai probably, and they never really train the right way. The way we train in Holland is almost every time we set up a hook, block. When we drill, you block and then you take it. Like kick me. No, see, that's what I mean. See, because you don't drill this, you don't even know where to land the kick. You're landing it too high. Here it's not going to do shit.
Where?
Well, you're kicking me, look. Stand up fighting stance, you're kicking me here. A low kick goes here. You feel the difference?
Yeah, kinda, yeah.
Kinda or not really? I
feel
could do
it.
it again.
No. No.
Okay, so you feel the difference, right?
Yeah.
You gotta kick above the knee.
So here, like here.
No, yeah, and going from up to down, like you wanna go like this. No, 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 no. More like this. No, more like up to down. How do you go from up to down? Yeah, like that, and then but here, more in a 45-degree angle.
More like.
No, you're overturning. Like this. Because look, the way you're doing it, do it again. The way you're doing is how a lot of people do it. Do it again. All I gotta do now is punch you, and you're looking at the leg. That's another mistake. You should never look at the legs when you low kick. Look at my eyes.
Okay.
I don't gotta look at your leg. You don't know where I'm going to kick you. I could kick you high because I'm looking at your eyes, or I could kick you low. And if I do look down, probably I just want you to think this, and then I'm going to go high. This is how Dutch fighters fight. So if you want to condition your chins, if you wear shin guards and you drill these, you just, or even better yet, don't wear the shin guards. Like, look, come here. Kick me here. But I want you to kick me hard though. I'm not gonna get angry. Lower, lower. No, no, no. Look. You want to kick from here up.
So this portion.
From the side of my knee up.
So bam.
Yes, but you're overturning your hips. Stop overturning your hips. Don't turn so much. Again, look at me, look at me. Another thing, what I did a minute ago, I didn't move my head towards you. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror, look. Look how my head is staying here. You know what you're doing? Extend your arm, extend your arm. Look in the mirror. If you keep your arm there, this is what you're doing. You're going towards the fucking hand. I'm here. You can throw the punches you want. Punch, punch. You're not gonna punch me. If I keep my hand here, none of your punches are going to come in. And my eyes are looking at you, so I'm looking at your shoulders the whole time. I'm not looking down, stepping here, and then going this way. That's fucking stupid. That's how a lot of instructors teach you. Most of them don't know what the fuck they're doing. These are the same kind that are telling you to do this shit. Like, go again, go again. Kick me again here. The point was for you to kick me, actually. So you want to kick here. Do it again. Yeah, but kick harder and look at me. And bring it back faster. Lower, you gotta get lower.
Oh, fuck.
That's a counter. That's a counter. Yeah, well, you think it hurts.
The shin.
It's more important to condition this shit than what you're doing now. Look at how hurt you are now. And a minute ago, you're just like, yeah, la 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 la, just hitting yourself with a fucking stick. This is, you're not gonna learn anything from this. With this, you're actually learning to defend and take a kick and give a kick. This is the way you counter. If you kick me here, before your leg touches the ground, I already kicked your other leg. That shit hurts a lot. And if you're drilling hard, like kick me harder. Here, kick me harder. I'm not going to kick you back, just kick me harder. Try to kick more with the foot, a little bit more with the foot. Right here, like this. Try to kick here, shin and foot, both. Yeah, now do it harder. Harder, lower, 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 lower. No, man, I'm used to this shit. This is the point I'm trying to make to you. Harder, 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 harder.
Man,
Harder.
You're making stone. Man.
Harder.
Nah,
Harder.
okay.
Come on, dude.
People look at us.
I don't give a fuck. Go harder. The art of not giving a shit. There's a book about it. I didn't need to read it because I never gave a shit. Go. Is it hurting yet? Is it hurting yet? What hurts more, this shit or the fucking stick?
This shit.
Exactly. So my point made. This is the way you should freaking be training. Right now, I'm also working my own leg. You're working your leg. We're working many things right now for a real fight. What you're doing now is bullshit. That's never going to help you win a fight. And this shit's not really going to get strong from it either. Because it all goes together. Your muscles, your bones, your mind, your reaction time, everything. You got to work all of it in one time. Right now you're working one thing and you're not doing it the right way because the impacts you're feeling are not necessarily going to be where you're going to land your kick. The way you're kicking me now, the impact where you're feeling it, that's the part you need to work because that's how you're going to land the kick in a fight. This is the difference between bullshit Muay Thai and what I teach and what we all teach in Holland. It's way more advanced than this bullshit you're taking now.
Is this
This is a waste of time, dude.
But this is good?
What?
Like this shit is good? Like
Stretch.
That you do it? Yeah.
If you're stretching, yeah, that's fine. But what are you trying to stretch?
This side. Actually.
No, look, go straight, go straight. That foot straight. More, all the way straight. Just like you're facing the mirror, like you're standing in front of the mirror. Now go down to your knee. And try to keep your back straight. Yeah. So your back leg too straight. Go all the way straight like this. Straight. Now try to touch the tip of your toes. Yeah, try to do that and hold it. But if you can't, try to keep this leg straight too. You can't? Yeah, there you go. That's how you should stretch.
Thanks, bro.
No problem, dude.
Thank you.
No problem.